Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send money with MoneyGram. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing to do is to go to moneygram.com or open the MoneyGram app on your mobile, then sign in into your account or probably create an account. Then from there, once you're already logged into your account or when you're done creating an account, so in the home page, click on send money. Then from there, enter the amount, then the receiver's name, and must match their ID and the country together with the amount. Then after that, choose how they will receive the money. You can choose the cash pickup, bank deposit, or money wallet or card. Then choose how you will pay. You can simply pay through debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Then review and confirm the details. Once that is done, then tap the send the money and keep the reference number for tracking. And that's it. Find the video upload if you did. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.